Hi everyone and welcome back to Parlez Pals. It's Caitlin, your French teacher and friend. Today we're learning about a lovely phrase you'll actually use. J'ai hâte de. I'm looking forward to. If you want to know more about j'ai hâte de, go to my other longer video. This video is purely for examples. Let's get straight into it. If you're wanting to say, I'm looking forward to seeing you, you might say, J'ai hâte de te voir. J'ai hâte de te voir. Or if you wanted to say, I'm looking forward to seeing you again, you might say, J'ai hâte de te revoir. J'ai hâte de te revoir. Equally, if you wanted to say, I can't wait to eat a crepe, especially when living in France, you have to eat crepes. It's mandatory. J'ai hâte de manger une crêpe. Of course, this is an example, so you can adapt this phrase to however you like. J'ai hâte de manger une crêpe. Just a little reminder, do not say I'm excited to, which is je suis excité de. Je suis excité de. That means something very different in French, but we'll talk about that in a later video. That's it for this video. Remember, my videos will always be and totally are free. If you enjoy learning with me, give this video a like and share it with a friend who loves French. Tell me in the comments, de quoi as-tu hâte, toi? What are you looking forward to?